Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park the Sienna on a level surface and set the parking brake, then raise the front with jack stands for safety. Once done, warm the engine 5–10 minutes so oil flows. This reduces drain time. Position a drain pan under the oil pan, remove the oil filler cap to vent, and use a 14 mm socket to loosen the drain plug. You should feel the plug give, be ready for hot oil, and move the pan into place quickly. With the oil draining, move to the oil filter. Use a strap or cap wrench to break it free. Expect about 1/2 to 1 quart to spill. Once removed, inspect and clean the filter mounting surface. Remove the old O-ring if it stuck to the engine. Lightly coat the new filter's rubber seal with fresh oil. This ensures a proper seal and easier removal later. Make sure the drain plug is torqued to spec when the stream slows and no debris remains in the. Now refill. Add the manufacturer-recommended oil, typically about 4 to 5 quarts, pouring slowly and using a funnel to avoid spills. Once you've added roughly 3 quarts, wait a moment, then start the engine for 1 to 2 minutes to circulate oil. Turn off and check the dipstick, topping to the correct mark. Inspect around the filter and drain plug for leaks, tighten if needed, and lower the vehicle. Troubleshooting tip. If pressure warning stays on, recheck filter seating and plug torque. Do not drive until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.